Hey guys, welcome to Club Maths. And thank you for joining with us through our YouTube channel and following us on our website, clubmaths.com. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. There are several videos on our YouTube channel that are already there and that will be coming up. We will be, solving questions too. We will be explaining each and every term in the mathematics that will make you perfect. So now we're going to talk about equivalent fractions. So in our last video we discussed about what are exactly the equivalent fractions and how we can uh, we can figure it out in a simplest examples. I have one more example which is the next version of it, and it will give you in numerical form how we can do it. So here we have I've already written several numbers in a fractions mode. So let's say we talk about 4 by 16, 3 by 9, 9 by 27, anything, right? So this is called as your numerator, as you all know, right? There's no rocket science in that. And this is called as denominator, okay? So so the point here I want to make is, equivalent fraction we can get if we can divide our numerator and denominator by a similar or a equal number or equal digit. So by what I mean is, if I divide 4 by 16 with 4, then I can definitely, divide 4 by 4. It is going to come out to be, if we say, it's going to come out to be 1. And if I divide 16 by 4 again, it's going to come out to be 4. So my equivalent fraction is 1 by 4. Similarly, in 3 by 9, if I divide this by 3, let's say, take a different color. So it will come as 1 by 3. Again, for 5 by 25, let's say if I divide it by 5, and it will come out to be 1 by 5. And as we can go on and on with different other examples like 8 by 32, right? I can do it by, if I divide by 8 itself, so it will come out to be 1 by 4. So 8 is, so you can see that, I'm only dividing numerator and denominator with exactly the same number, and I'm getting the equivalent fraction. So my equivalent fraction is 1 by 4. Again, 8 by 16, if I divide by 8, it comes out to be, 1 by 2. And then this way, you can easily understand, that if we can divide and, by a similar number, we get the equivalent fraction. Similarly, let's say if I have, if we talk about the multiplication, right? So let's say 1 by 4. If I divide both numerator and denominator, right, by an equal number, if I multiply, numerator and denominator, so my thing will be 1 by 4, 4 by 4 is equal to 4 by 16. So again, right, the point what I'm trying to make is, if we look at our example 4 by 16, it comes out to be 4 by 16. And if I further divide that 4 by 16 with equivalent number, let's say, 4, and if I divide by 4, I get it as 1 by 4. So so 1 by 4 is our equivalent fraction, and we can obtain this by either multiplying by 4, or we can obtain by 4 by 16 dividing it by 4. So this would be our equivalent fraction. It's very simple, it's very basic, but it is one of the most key things that we have to understand what exactly the key fractions are. I hope you have understood the video and understood what exactly equivalent fractions is. If you have any questions, do drop us a message and we will definitely help you out. Thank you for joining this video. Have a good day.